Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back again with a second video. On the previous video, we dealt with the working hours and the overtime. Remember, we're still dealing with the basic conditions of employment. So as promised, I've come back now. Now today we're going to deal with meal intervals. Right? Then in terms of meal intervals, number one, an employer must give an employee who works continuously for more than 5 hours a meal interval of at least 1 continuous hour. During a meal interval, the employee may be required or permitted to perform only duties that cannot be left unattended and cannot be performed by another employee.